Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome you all. We'll roast filet mignon recipe. Detailed preparation of this dish, cooking, and an excellent cooking sauce. You will be served with the addition of mashed potatoes and thin French fries. Materials to be used in this video: 50 kg veal roast, liquid sunflower oil and butter to be used, a few onions, fresh green thyme, fresh green rosemary, 5 whole garlic, tomato paste, and spices: white pepper powder, powdered pepper, red pepper, mixed vegetables condiment, cumin, soy sauce. Add liquid oil over the heated plate grill and roast beef, roast meat. You can use normal teflon or steel pan to make one roast beef. Only roasting will be done on this grill, and the actual cooking process will continue in the large industrial saucepan. You can help recipes to see and reach more people by liking videos. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks to everyone who supported me in this matter. Add in sunflower oil and add the meat on hot plate. Turn the flash at 2 minutes intervals and let the whole area blush. Added oil into large industrial cookware and is expected to warm up. Chop the onions into thick slices. 5 whole garlic and cut them in half. Cut fresh green thyme with knife. Cut fresh green rosemary with knife. 1 kilogram of butter into hot liquid sunflower oil is being added. Add the chopped vegetables to the saucepan and stir. One kilogram of tomato paste was added. Add necessary spices. White ground pepper, red ground pepper, red chili pepper, mixed vegetable condiment, cumin. Can add meat bouillon. Add soy sauce. Add salt and sugar. Add boiling water. Roast roasted veal. Now add them to the pan. Water should exceed the height of meat and boiling water. Meats will be cooked in this way for at least 4 hours. Cook on these meats 4 or 5 hours depending on the situation. Can control the cooking status of meats with toothpicks. After 5 hours, you will get very soft meats that are completely cooked. Remove cooked meats in the steel container without water. For 5 hours, all the vitamin and flour of boiling meats will be passed into the water in the pot. Filter the broth into a container and cool it. Use this broth in sauce making. After the roasters have cooled, cover with sachets and leave them in the freezer. Sliced chilled calf's roast. Roast beef prepared in thin slices with 3 slices for 1 person. Try to use a thinner knife if you experience disintegration while cutting roasters. You can cut the pieces cut vertically from the edges with a slightly triangular-like slice. Place the roast meat in the oven tray half horizontally after thinly slicing. Sliced butter on top of thinly sliced beef roasts. We added the butter on the sliced meats and now steamed. Coat in oven trays with aluminum foil. sliced meats are kept in steam for 1 hour at 100 degrees steam. You can use the water you take while cooking meats, or you can use powdered demi-glace sauce. Add the butter into the pan and a little liquid sunflower oil. Carrot, onion, fresh thyme, add a little bay leaf. Tomato paste, sweet pepper sauce, black pepper, soy sauce, garlic powder, can add meat bouillon, add boiling water. Mix and add powdered demi-glace sauce with the cold water. Can use storage to boil the sauce and slightly solidify. Add some cream and close the fire. Filter the ready-made sauce into a container. Mashed potatoes. Add margarine to a deep pot. Add 5 liters of milk. Wait for the milk to boil. Add 1 liter of cream to the boiling milk. Add powdered sugar. Add 1 kilogram of ground powdered mashed potatoes. Add some water to adjust the consistency of the mashed potatoes. When the mashed potato is ready, cover with the stretch. Fried crispy potatoes to be made. Machine to be used to chop the potatoes. You see this industrial chopping machine with the potatoes in chopped very finely in seconds. Thoroughly wash the finely chopped potatoes with cold water. Add the washed potatoes to the dehydrated oil. Potatoes must be wholly fried and crispy. Next to the dish is ready to be added and veal roast is completely softened in the steam. Now we can add and serve food in plates. Add mashed potatoes. Add 3 slices of veal roast fileminyon. Add thin fried crispy potatoes in the form of the matches. Color the plate with a piece of parsley. Finally, add the hot meat sauce on the dish and serve as a hot meal. Enjoy your meal. We have came to the end of a detailed video description prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. Goodbye again for a new recipe video.